Hello दोस्तों, today is day 8, 30 and 4 and let's talk about today's initiative, what I have done in today's day. So first of all, I just shaved my beard today. I don't know how I'm looking right now, but it's not matter. So let's talk about today. First of all, we had study polity. You all very well known that I have study polity since 4 5 days, and in polity, I am deeply deeply trapped. In conclusion, I can say that polity is a very polite subject. That it's very in a very particular manner. Polity is not that easy as much as people thought, but let's in our initiative that what I have completed in polity that first of all we had study related to governor and president and vice president. These are the similar bodies, union and state legislature also. And after that, parliament system, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and what are their major functions, roles, and their powers, and what are they can do with states in most of the times, how they can control the federal system. So why India called a federal or quasi-federal system wali country? Because in India quasi-federal system is very less, because we can say that federal system of India is not like USA, United States of America, because there are completely a federal system. State have their own government, their own rules, their own laws, and they have their own identity also. It means if you are a individual from the USA, then you need to maintain two ID, one of states and one of center legislative also. So in example that मान लीजिए you are a resident of California, then you need to maintain a ID of California government also, and as far as the union legislature also, like federal system also, that combined ID of United States of America. And in India, there are United States of America because there are federal system, completely federal system. But in India, India is a a mixture of federal system and unitary system. Because there are some major aspects there related to the Indian constitution. We cannot Indian constitution cannot provide us a unitary body properly, but also it can provide some federal powers related to states and union legislature also. So there are not properly, but a different body also, different body we can say, because in state here we have some other rules, other laws. States can make laws. Union legislature also make rules, laws. So in a similar manner, we can say that our unitary system is more has more power than the state federal system, because state has some areas in constitution that state have very less power, like center appoint governor, and that is also from the center, and the governor can control the whole state legislature. So in particular manner, the unitary system is more powerful in our country as compared to the federal system. So today I have studied the federal system, and in federal system I can completely made a rough understanding related to the federal system. And for mains perspective also, I wrote some major articles related to our federal system, like union legislature and what are their territories, what they can do in constitution amendment, like it is, if it is real, reality matter to the states, state matter also, state interest. But when it compromise the state interest, then state also can interfere in that particular areas, states. So center need to a special majority, two-third of members in parliament and 50% of states. So if there are center get majority, then they can change in states matter also. So today we have studied a federal system, and in next class we had to study like local governance, local bodies, and in our constitution there are many provisions related to the emergency. Emergency was in news also from past 1 month ago at least, because in Manipur, our state Manipur, uh, there are currently emergency declared by the President of India. So I need to study that topic also because it is in our news. So let's end this session today. Uh, we have talked enough. Let's meet tonight. Sorry, tomorrow. So thank you guys.